How to shop on Temu from Pakistan. In this video, we will go through the step-by-step process to shop on Temu from Pakistan without any issues. First of all, we need to go to the top right where the country flag appears and click on where it says change country or region. And here we need to make sure that the country appears, which in this case will be Pakistan. Once we have this set, we will go back to the home page. Now I'm going to give you some recommendations so you can shop safely and properly. The first thing is that the best section to buy cheap products is this one here, which is flash deals. We're going to click on it, and it will load the cheapest products that Temu has available. And also right below the price, a clock or a countdown will appear. And basically, what this means is that this price will only last for the amount of time stated here. For example, this one will last for 1 day and 4 hours available. After this, the price will change and will have a different value. But we also have other types of products with regular prices without discounts. And to differentiate them, we just need to see that in this section here for flash deals, the price appears in orange, which is why it's cheaper. Meanwhile, down below, for the regular prices, if we notice, the price appears in black. This means that these products might be a bit more expensive. Now I'm going to choose a product at random, for example, these glasses here, and we will be able to enter the listing to see what we need to look at in detail to make a purchase. If it asks us for a verification, we simply do it. We click here, and once we complete it, this will appear here. In this listing, the first thing we need to check is the title and that it matches the product we are looking at. Then on the right side, we can see how many times this product has been sold. It's important to see this because obviously, the more it has been sold, the more trust it generates. Then we have the name of the store that sells this product. Here we can click on it, and it will redirect us to the store's page. In this case, it doesn't show up, but in some it does. Then over here, we can choose the color of the product. And depending on the color, the price may change in some cases. It could be that one color is more expensive than another simply because it's the most purchased. Then in this case, we would have a size guide to see if it fits what we need, and we can do it in inches and centimeters. And when we choose this, we can also select the quantity of glasses, in this case, that we want to buy. But before that, it's important to go to the section on the left and read all about the reviews. It's recommended to come here and click where it says see all reviews. And here we will even be able to see reviews with photos, which is the most interesting to see what the product is really like. We can even see video content such as this one here, to know if the product really matches what they are offering us in real life. And here we will find reviews of all kinds and from many countries, not just from Pakistan. Then if we scroll down a bit more, we find the name of the store again. And if we scroll down further, we see the glasses in more detail with their different colors. When we decide to buy this product, we simply click on Add to Cart. When we do that, this will appear. Here we will click on Go to Cart if we want to buy this directly. And here it will show us the summary, the product we have chosen, and the final price. Here we will click on Buy, and it will show us that we have a minimum order. We have to make a minimum order of 2,000, otherwise the shipping won't be possible. In other words, we could choose more products to reach this amount, or if not, we can select the same product we're ordering but in a larger quantity. For example, 3 to meet the minimum order. Now let's click again, and here it tells us that we can do it. We'll click Continue, and over here it shows up to add our address. So here we would add our name, our phone number, our province or city, and then the address, the zip code, and we can set this address as our default address for future orders. Once we fill this out, we just need to place the order. For example, after that, we just need to place the order. To make payments, as we see here, we can do it through Google Pay, but we can also pay with a card, whether it's Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Maestro, Diners Club, and several other payment methods. We would simply choose it and select the card we want. Once we finish with this, we would click on Submit Order, and we could start shopping on Temu. and the order would be sent to our homes. In the description, I'm going to leave you a link, a discount code so you can shop through Temu and get it pretty cheap, and even get some items for free.